sun is important to us?
Dear, the sun gives us light, energy and heat. It helps all living things to grow. When you open your eyes in the morning, it is daytime and the sun rises in the sky. The birds also start chirping. It is time to get up and go to school.
Mom, how can we observe time?
When you come back from school, the sun is just above your head. It is afternoon. After some times, when sun starts to set, then it is evening time. You go to play in the park. From evening onwards, the moon and the stars appear in the sky. This time is called night. We have dinner at night and go to bed after that.
How do we see time?
Earlier, no clock was there, so people used to guess the time by observing the position of the sun. But now we have a clock or a watch that tells us the time. The clock shows us the time in hours and minutes. The full cycle of night and day takes 24 hours and each hour has 60 minutes. Every second, every minute and every hour is very important. We should not waste time. We should use it wisely.
What are directions?
Dear, words like front, back, right and left are actually 4 directions. These 4 directions are known as east, west, north and south. For example, these words are used to tell directions like the sun is rising in front of him, the river is towards his back, the house is towards his left and trees are on the right. Therefore, the boy is facing the sun is rising in the east. The sun will set in the west. West is behind the boy. On the left is the house is in north. The trees are to his right. They are in the south. Let me tell you an interesting thing. Using the letters of these directions, the word news was formed. N, north, E, east, W, west, S, south. It means information from all the directions. Hello children, today we will learn about weather and seasons. Do you know the difference between them?
No, ma'am.
You can feel the weather when you go out. Sometimes the weather would not let you go out. Weather changes with the movement of air. When the weather remains almost the same for a long period, we call it season. Summer is the warmest season. In India, summer season is between April to June. May and June are the hottest months of the year. During summer season, the rays of the sun fall directly on the earth. Days are longer and nights are shorter during this season. We wear cotton clothes. Schools close for a long summer vacation. Everyone enjoys a cold drink in hot weather. We use fans, coolers and air conditioners during summers. A monsoon is a type of wind. In summer, at some places, air over the land heats and rises up. Cool and wet air from the oceans blows to take its place, bringing a heavy rain. July, August and September are the monsoon months in India. We use umbrellas and raincoats to protect us from the rain. Farmers grow their crops in this season. When it rains heavily, there are floods that cause much damage to life and property. One can see a rainbow in the sky after the rain. Do you know? A rainbow has 7 colors. These colors can be remembered by the word Vibgyor. V violet, I indigo, B blue, G green, Y yellow, O orange, R red. The season between the months of November to February is known as winter. During winter, we wear woolen clothes to protect ourselves from cold. It is wonderful to be out on a bright winter afternoon. Dense fog during winter reduces visibility. To keep ourselves warm, we use hot air blowers. room heaters, etc. In some parts of northern India, there is snowfall. Autumn comes just before the onset of winter, that is, in the months of October and November. Spring is the season of flowers. February and March are the months of spring. 23rd June is the longest day of the year. The shortest day of the year is 21st December.